So first off, before even starting, I had a piece of cardboard laid up against the radiator to keep you from damaging any of your fins. I've already got it out of the way though. But for getting this on, being that there's more room on the crank pulley, I kept trying it over here to start it, hook it around the compressor, and then try to walk it on over here. That didn't seem to work. So you want to go ahead and get it on the ribs over here. Get it seated on the outer snout hub of the AC compressor. Get you your ratchet with extensions so you can get your hand up out of the way and have plenty of room to work. And start pushing it from the bottom. Keep your fingers out away from the pulley, but keep tension, push it inward. As you walk it on, rotating the crank, and it'll eventually walk up and around. It might have been a little easier for me because I probably stretched out a little bit before. A couple times I did try it, but that's what worked for me for not having any special tools or anything.